we're getting older and the sun begins to set on the simple sunny summer of you. We wake up in the night and all the cracks begin to show on the photographs I keep here of you. Take me in your garden, let me see the flowers. Our foundation's harder. We'll sit and talk for hours. It's always sunny in the places that we go in the rain. Moonlight shadows cast upon the window stop all the pain. There's a hidden land I don't think anyone will go, a place where all our wishes come true. Take a trip with me and jump into the rabbit hole. We'll walk in endless forests of blue. Always trying to find the bright side of this feeling. Pick me up and stop me from feeling. It's always sunny in the places that we go in the rain. Moonlight shadows cast upon the window stop all the pain. It's always sunny in the places that we go in the rain.